Guys, it's Sebastian Walker and I am here to give you tips and tricks, make strategy and guides on the Supercell's newest game Clash Mini, which just went into beta launch 3 weeks ago. And what this means is that it is available only in very few select countries. And if you're like me who does not belong in one of those countries, then you cannot download it from the Play Store and play it. But there actually is a way to get around that, and you can still download and play it if you're like me who cannot wait for the global launch. You can do this on both iOS and Android. I'll start with iOS. On iOS it is very simple. You need to go to your app store, to its settings. You need to change your location to one of the countries where it is available in beta launch, like Canada, Denmark, Finland. The app store will probably ask you to enter your account ID and password, which you have to do. Then you need to reboot your app store. You can also restart your device, but I don't think that is necessary, and then you can go to the app store and download it. It's that easy. Now if you're like me who is on Android, then it isn't as simple as that. You cannot do it without a VPN. You need a VPN no matter what. So go to the Play Store, search for VPN. You can download any one of this. It literally does not matter which one you are using. The one I used was this one. Now you need to open your VPN. You need to select a country where it is available for beta launch. I used this one. You need to connect. You probably might be asked to watch an ad, do it. Then you will get connected to the VPN. The next thing that you need to do is you need to go to your settings, go to your applications, and the next thing you are required to do is go to your applications, search for your Google Play Store, open it, and you need to force stop it, this button here. Once you force stop it, you need to go to your apps, you need to remove this, you need to give it a reboot, you need to open your Chrome, just go search Clash Mini Play Store, and it should be available here. As you can see, if you tap on this, it will take you to the Play Store, and here, since I have already downloaded it, it is showing me uninstall and play. For you guys, it should be the option of installing should be available. For some reason, if this does not work, then you can also try changing your VPN to another country. Let's say you are on Denmark, this does not work, try switching it to Canada and try it. What you can also do is, when you are connected to the other country's VPN, create a new Google account and restart your phone, and then when you're on that VPN, open the Play Store and try to download it the way I did. Now once you are done with this, you can just go and uninstall this. It does not matter. Once the game Clash Mini is installed on your device, as you can see, I have uninstalled the VPN. I am not connected to any VPN, and I will still be able to open Clash Mini. Now if let's say this does not work the first time, just refresh it and this will work like a charm. See, it's as simple as that. It's simpler on iOS, but it's still simple on Android, and you can have all the fun. Once you have downloaded, you don't need to, if let's say a client update comes on Clash Mini, you can simply go on Google and do it like this. As you can see, even though I am not connected on VPN, it will still show me this. Now if there is an update available, there will be update button here, so you're good to go. That's it, my friends. That's how you download Clash Mini in under 5 minutes on any device, iOS or Android. That's all for today, guys. See you next time.